So, Ms. Farmer, if you'll get that started.
I will, and it's so easy. Like I said, and I cheated and bought a crust, but graham cracker crust, why not? Just buy one. This here is actually 2 cans of the condensed sweetened milk, which is like probably 20, they're each 14 ounces, so 28 ounces. That's it, so easy. 3/4 cup sour cream.
It's almost like you're cheating.
Yeah, it is.
And it's so good,
It's
so
delicious.
tasty.
Then the only other thing I need is lime juice, 3/4 cup. So I'm gonna go ahead, I've already done some of my limes here. I like to squeeze fresh limes.
So condensed sweet milk.
Yeah, you can't go
sour
wrong.
cream.
And lime juice, that's it.
Lime juice. Bake it in the bar for 15 minutes, put it in the freezer.
That's it.
Now, I don't want to say fail safe, because as soon as we say this, it'll end up like turning
Not
purple
working.
or something.
No, it's it, and you put it in the fridge, keep it in the fridge, and ours, I made 2 of them while we were on vacation. You ate both of them.
Okay, so we got 3/4 cup of lime juice, freshly squeezed.
That's right.
And these are organic. If you can find organic stuff, a lot of times to me, I just really don't like pesticides and herbicides. You can wash them off as best you can, but we try to find organic when we can. So one final step.
I want to put some
And
zest.
this would not be considered a different ingredient. It's just the zest.
Right. Let's give a little bit of, a couple of those pieces in the pie.
Look how pretty. Look how
Yeah.
it's thickening up.
I know that's something.
See, I was wondering what was going to cause that to thicken up, but it really did once you mix that up.
Well, the condensed milk, you think about it, and the sour cream, and that's it. No eggs. You
So
know.
what temperature?
I have got it at 350, and we're only going to cook this for 15 minutes.
350?
350 for 15 minutes, and we're going to pull it out and just put it in the fridge, and it's too easy.
I'm just telling you, it's not your traditional key lime pie, but it is so easy, so good, and there's no calories except for the ones that are right there.
The sweetened condensed milk make everything delicious. Right?
You want me to open that for you?
Do, thank you.
All right.
And look at it, it's already setting up.
I know.
Not even in there yet.
It's amazing.
All right,
And you ready to pull this pie?
I am. Is it 15 minutes?
15 minutes. The easiest key lime pie you'll ever make in your life.
Look how it's already, we're just gonna let it cool a
Look at
little
that.
here. And then I'm gonna sit it in the
And
fridge.
look how good those little pieces of lime zest. It's just
beautiful.
really, really good. Oh, look at that beauty sitting over there.
It's ready for the fridge, and I want you to see how it's already cooled down. I can touch it. Look at, I'm already getting
Wow.
there. So we're just gonna put it in the fridge so it's actually cold when we have
Ready to
dessert.
go here in a
Yes,
while. What's
that's
it take an hour?
This says about an hour.
All right.
You know, we didn't even let this go the hour, and it's still, we cut it. If you'd have let it go a little longer, but we couldn't wait, could we? It's only sat a half hour.
So creamy.
That's so good. Can't describe how delicious.
Look how fast it's disappearing.
That's really good.
And that only set a half hour. It could have set up a lot longer. It's still a little bit warm.
It's good. Is that amazing or what? Yummy.
You saw the amount of time and effort that went into that.
Right.
What did it take you? 3 minutes, 4 minutes to whip that up?
And you always have that kind of stuff in your, if you have that here, you could make, someone's coming over, hurry up and whip a pie up.
Boom.
You got a perfect pie, that's right.